The heavy metal of this can dissipates heat rapidly. If the seam is to be sealed with an iron, the iron must be a large one, or 2 irons may be used alternately to speed up the work. In an operation of this kind, start at the end of the seam farthest from you, holding the iron flat against the work. Feed the rosin cord solder to the side of the tip. It will then flow between the iron and the metal surface, aiding the transfer of heat. A scrubbing motion of the iron may help in filling the seam. Excess solder may be cleaned off the surface with the flat end of the file. Do not unclamp the holding fixture until the seams have cooled sufficiently to set the solder firmly. The 2 end seams are sealed with a flame. The can and contents